Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail tutorial for you all, and thank you so much to Nail Addict for taking the time to send me their entire new collection that will be launching today when this video is posted, which is May 1st. Thank you so much to them once again, and I'm just going to be showing you here the new colors of their collection along with their texture and consistency and packaging, which is so nice. And I appreciate that the color of each polish is at the top of the cap, along with them being great formulated. On top of the fact that they have a great formula, they also are vegan and cruelty free, which is an absolute plus and a must for me because I definitely don't want to be using any products that test on nature. So here I'm just showing you the rest of the colors, which I absolutely loved. And the moment I saw this collection, I definitely knew that I wanted to do something mermaid related, mermaid theme, under the sea, something in those lines. So that's exactly what I did, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. So after I am done showing you the colors, I will go along with showing you some swatches that I did, and we'll get right into this tutorial. So the first step is I am using the base from Nail Addict LA, just applying them to all my nails, and I will be using a nail stand because this is a quick, efficient, beautiful, easy, achievable nail look. So I am just going in with the base coat. Then after I apply it to all the nails, I will go straight into the UV lamp and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And by the way, I will have a coupon code linked down below in the description box for you all if you're interested in purchasing from Nail Addict. You do get 45% off your purchase along with on the screen. And I did buff the nails and remove the shine off camera just to not take so much time. And next I'm starting off with my first color of choice, which I absolutely loved because I love purple. I know a lot of people on my channel love purple, and I also loved how, of course, it had glitter. So I'm just applying the coat here. This one was on the sheer side because of the consistency or color probably, but I didn't mind it at all. And next I'm using one of my favorites as well for the pinky, just so beautiful. It reminds me of pearls. Very beautiful. So I'm going in with the second coat of each color, and then I'm going to move on to the following step of the nail tutorial. So next I'll be using these three colors to create a very easy marble. So I'm just grabbing a little piece of paper that I had, and I'm just applying the three colors of my choice. Then later on I will go in with a dotting tool and just swirl it around, and after pick it up with my brush and place it to wherever I desire onto the nail, and you guys will see the entire process. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about this nail look. So I will be doing a Q&A in today's tutorial as well. I did ask on Instagram for you guys to ask me nail related questions. So the first question I got was, how do I advise for flat nails? And my advice is just to continue to try to practice building your apex, whether you're doing dip nails, acrylic, or polygel. It just takes time. I'm still not perfect at that. I don't know if that's exactly what they meant by advice for flat nails, but I'm guessing that means nails that don't have an apex. So just continue to practice because you can do it with nails or any other craft. It is trial and error and also just a lot of practice. So that is the advice that I'd give for that. Another person asked me, how do I remove my lazy girl polygel nails? And the truth is, I usually always use a peel off coat for most of my tutorials, just because I have to constantly film and I still don't have a stand for my iguana hand. So in the past, when I did just do regular polygel nails, I would just cut them short, file them down to with the e-file short as I could, and then I would just soak them in and out. It would take like a total of 45 minutes. It does take longer to remove polygel though, for whatever reason. It is a bit tougher, but it comes off. It's just more time consuming. Somebody else asked, what are good tools for V-tip/French? I'm struggling. Well, the honest truth is that I struggle with that as well. I'm really not good at it. The only thing that I've used in the past are the guideline stickers that help you get a crisp line. Other than that, I really haven't gotten into anything in regards to French, just because it is difficult for me, and I definitely have to take the initiative to get better at it and give you guys some better tips and tricks for that. Somebody else asked me, how did I start my press-on business? So the way that I started my press-on business was, I did have it in mind for a while. I just didn't know how to do it, where to start. Everything just seemed so overwhelming. But eventually I just decided to start my Etsy shop through Etsy, since I just liked the way that it was more organized through there. So that is where I decided to begin my shop. And yeah, that's how I started. I just started creating nails and I just started posting them on there. Another question that I got was, somebody asked me, how much do I spend on nail supplies? So I actually laughed when I saw this question, just because I spend a ridiculous amount. Yeah, I just have like this addiction to purchasing a nail art for whatever reason. I don't know. I just love finding things. Another question that I got was, do I do YouTube full-time as a job? And I don't really consider this a job because I don't get an income like a job, if that makes any sense. But I guess I would say so, because yes, I do YouTube full-time. And I'm really happy that I get the opportunity to do so as well. It's really, really a big blessing in my life, being able to just wake up and film whenever I feel like it, or if I don't, I'm just really grateful for that opportunity. So yeah, I do it full time. Okay, so somebody asked me, why did I start doing nails? And the reason behind that was because when the whole situation happened that we were in lockdown, nothing was available. So I really wanted to get my nails done, and my boyfriend suggested, why don't I start a YouTube channel doing nails? And at first I was a little skeptical, because I'm more of an introvert and I was really shy. Like, I didn't know if I wanted to talk on camera. But eventually I'm like, you know what, I think that would be a good idea, and it would be something out of my comfort zone. So we went ahead and purchased everything that I needed, and he's the one that taught me how to edit. He's the one that taught me how to do voiceovers. He taught me everything that I need to know how to do in order to create YouTube videos. So shout out to him, and shout out to my boyfriend for supporting me. He literally supports me in anything, and I'm just really grateful that because of him I'm able to do this craft full time, and I have that support from a partner. That means so much to me. Somebody asked me how old I am, and I am 24 years old. Someone asked me any advice on shaping, and honestly with shaping, I think it's like a never-ending thing, in the sense that there's always room for improvement, there's always room to get better. I like to see myself as my biggest critic. Like, I'll never think something is too good, because I need to be my biggest critic. I really need to sit there and be like, okay, what do I need to improve on? What can I get better at? How can I create better nails? So that's pretty much what I do. I'm just my biggest critic, and I try my best every single time with shaping, because that is a work in progress. Till this day, I'm still trying to perfect my nail. And I noticed that when I do gel nails, it usually takes away the shape, and it's just so annoying. But I'm just trying my best in every video to be better and to get better. So yeah, thank you guys so much for the questions. I appreciate them. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.